Dear students of class 10, today we will start again continue exercise 8.1. 8.1 question number 6. If angle A equal and angle B are acute angles, if angle A and angle B are acute angles, such that cos A equal to cos B, cos equal to cos B, then so that angle A equal to angle B. Angle A equal to angle B. Solution. Since angle A and angle B are acute means less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Then first draw triangle. Angle A equal to angle B. This is angle C. Angle C equal to 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC, angle C equal to 90 degree. Now and angle A and angle B both are 90 degree, both are less than 90 degree, means both are acute angle. And we have given that cos A equal to cos B, cos A equal to cos B. Means cos of angle A is equal to cos of angle B. Then for which value how can now we can prove angle A equal to angle B? But how? Put the value of cos A and cos B according to this triangle. So cos A equal to AC upon AB. For cos of angle A, AC is base and AB is hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse is cos equal to cos B, means BC upon AB. Since both have same denominators, now it implies that AC equal to BC. AC equal to BC means this side AC equal to side BC. Since AC equal to BC, then according to isosceles property, if opposite sides are equal, then their corresponding opposite angle will also equal. Therefore, angle B equal to angle A, or angle A equal to angle B by isosceles triangle property. So now we have proved, hence proved. Next problem, question number 7. Question number 7. If cot of angle theta equal to 7 by 8, then find the value of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So, students, we can solve this problem by using identity also. Solution: 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta means A plus B into A minus B. Use identity. And again 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta upon sin square theta. Since 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta and 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta, it become cot square theta, and we have given the value of cot theta. So put the value here equal to 7 by 8 square equal to 49 by 64. This is the solution by using trigonometric identity. But you can solve without using trigonometric identity also by drawing triangle, and first find the value of sin theta and cos theta and put both the values here, and you will get same answer as 49 by 64. And here given second part cot square theta. So we have solved both the problem in one question. So next question, question number 8 of exercise 8.1. Question number 8. If 3 cot of angle A equal to 4, then check whether one minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Sin square A. Now solve it. Very simple problem. Given that 3 cot A equal to 4. Now resolve it. Cot A equal to 4 by 3. We know that cot A equal to base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. Then base equal to 4x and equal to 3x. Here x is highest common factor, means HCF between base and perpendicular. So now find the value of hypotenuse. Equal to under root base square plus perpendicular square base in under root, and find here base value is 4x square plus 3x square, 16x square plus 9x square, 25x square under root means 5x. Means hypotenuse value is 5x. Now find the value of 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A. So find the value of tan A. Tangent of any angle is perpendicular upon base. Tan A equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3x, base is 4x, equal to 3 by 4. You can find here tan A value as reciprocal of cot A, but we need to find out the value of hypotenuse to find the value of sin and cos A. So it is necessary first to find out the value of hypotenuse. Next, tan A equal to 3 by 4 and sin A equal to perpendicular P by H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means perpendicular is 3 x by 5x equal to 3 by 5 and cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse, base is 4x by 5x means 4 by 5. Now find the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. If the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A, then our question will prove. So first find the value of 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to tangent value is 3 by 4 and 1 minus 3 by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 square equal to 1 minus 9 by 16 upon 1 plus 9 by 16, and it become 16 1 is 16 minus 9, 16 minus 9 by 16 whole upon 16 plus 9 by 16. 16 and 16 will cancel out and it become 16 minus 9 7, or 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Now the value of 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A is 7 upon 25. Again find out cos square A minus sin square A. Now cos square A minus sin square A equal to 4 by 5 square minus 3 by 5 square. 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25. Common denominator 25. 16 minus 9, it becomes 7 by 25. So both have same value. Hence we can write here, since since 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square A equal to 7 by 25, means both have same value, hence proved. Or it is checked that 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A equal to cos square A minus sin square. And next problem. Question number 9 of this exercise. So once again, question number 9. Question number 9. in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree, and if tan A equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of number 1 sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and second part cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So first draw triangle according to the question. Angle B equal to 90 degree already given. Then A, C. Find sin A cos A and sin C cos C, and put the value in both the question and you will get answer out. So sin A according to this triangle, angle A is taken here, so BC is perpendicular. Then BC by and we have given one thing, tan A equal to 1 upon root 3, hence perpendicular upon base. Then perpendicular equal to 1x and base equal to under root 3x. Find out hypotenuse AC. AC equal to AB square under root AB square plus BC square. AB value is under root 3 plus BC is 1 square, and it become 3 plus 1 equal to under root 4 equal to plus minus 2. But take only positive value because length of any side of triangle cannot be negative. And hypotenuse is 2. This value is 2. So sin A, sin of angle A equal to BC यानी perpendicular upon hypotenuse AC. BC base is 1 by 2, and cos A equal to AB upon AC. AB is under root 3 and sin C and cos C. sin C, sin of angle C equal to AB by AC equal to AB value is √3 by 2 and cos C equal to BC by AC equal to 1 by √1 by 2. Now find out cos A cos C plus cos A into sin C. So first value sin of angle A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A equal to 1 by 2 into cos C equal to 1 by 2 plus cos A is √3 by 2 into sin C also √3 by 2 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to 1 plus 3 by 4 4 by 4 equal to 1. And similarly find the value of cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So next part is homework and solve the remaining part of this exercise. Okay, thank you.